This tutorial will guide you how to unhide apps on your iPhone. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Let's say you've hidden this app which is called the Smart Lock, just an example. So you'll have to hold on it and then select require Face ID, and then you select hide and require Face ID. So I'll just select hide app. Now also hide an app, I'll show you on how to unhide it. So you'll have to swipe on your right side, then swipe it again to go to your app library. Now in our app library, scroll all the way down, you should see hidden folder. So this is the hidden package here. Just make sure to tap on it on your package, and then it will use the Face ID to unlock the app here, which you can see the Smart Lock which I've hide it will be revealed on the hidden section here. So if you want to remove it from this hidden section, just make sure to hold on it and then select don't require Face ID, and then it will be removed. Now you can just return it to the home screen by holding it, and then select add to home screen. Now your app will be added to the home screen just like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.